Okay, so I'm in the dark, as you can see. I've just got the lights off. I don't know, I've just had the motivation to make more videos. Now that I know I'm probably not gonna have the ability to for, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks maybe. So yeah, feel a little weird tonight. I don't know, it might be just the rain. It's been raining for like a week now, so it's pretty wet and depressing. My bed's gone. I've just got the mattress on the floor. There's like nothing in my room except this computer now. The lights are still on in the kitchen. Sometimes I like being in the dark. Yeah. It's weird. I've got 3 days left. It's Monday now, it's midnight, spot on. I'm really looking forward to going now because one of my cousins that I hadn't seen since I was like 6, he's coming home for Christmas. I'm like, fuck yes. I'm just really excited to see my family. Yeah. I think I'm ready to leave. I'm sick of seeing nothing on my computer. It's weird. Usually it's just chock full of shit. Now there's only like a couple icons on my desktop. Yeah. I was up talking to Alma, but she went to bed. It's pretty cold. I've got 2 pairs of socks on, but it's alright in my room. It's not that bad. Keeps in the heat. My brother made a YouTube video. It's fucking hilarious. I laugh my head off. He's so fucking random. Oh my god. Yeah. Because I deleted all my music, I got really paranoid and backed up my iPod and quickly put all the music on my hard drive, so just in case my iPod decides to fucking shit itself. This room is cursed. But yeah, it's coming along. I hope the rain clears up by Thursday. Otherwise my flight's gonna be fucking delayed and that's gonna piss me off. But yeah, I think the dam's overflowed. Not that we can really go out in this weather. You know, whatever. Yeah. My cat's been acting really weird. I think she knows that we're going. We can't take it with us. It's just been really affectionate. Like, meowing to the shit house. Yeah, she's a good cat. I'm gonna miss her. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. she'll probably find herself into a good home. So, I don't know, might make another video in the morning if I feel like it, and I'll just upload this now, chuck it on YouTube, and Facebook, yeah, alright, I'll catch you all later, night.